All right, so we've talked about it. The router's primary job is to determine the best path to use to send the packet, right? So it's going to build a routing table. It's going to look in that routing table and it's going to decide which path to take. Just like we would if we needed to take a driving trip, we'd look on the map and we'd figure out the best route. So there's a couple of different types of networks that will go into the routing table. One are networks that are directly connected to the router. So on R1, you will see I have 3 networks directly connected to R1. I've got 192.168.10.0, 192.168.11.0, and then the serial network 209.165.200.224. Those are the directly connected. Next, that same R1 has 2 remote networks, the networks in purple. So R1's remote networks are 10.1.1.0.24 and 10.1.2.0.24. So if you ask yourself how many different networks are going to be inside of its routing table, you should get an answer of 5. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, and there's one more. Do you remember the gateway of last resort? So if you had also built in a route for the gateway of last resort, then any packet that the router receives and it doesn't have a matching network in its routing table, it will send it out the gateway of last resort.